Hello everyone, I am Rekha Murthy, Assistant Professor of Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. Today I am here to explain the experiment of DSP. The experiment is related with the solution of the difference equation. As what we had seen in the previous experiment, that is obtaining an impulse response of a given system. So the same difference equation we are going to describe here. So the LTI system will be described by this difference equation. The same equation we are going to use it for this experiment. And the main aim of this experiment is we have to find out the impulse response and also the step response. So here we are preferring the same equations. So B coefficients and A coefficients will be taken. So B value will be the X coefficients and A value will be the Y coefficients. As in the previous case, what we had written the program, we had made use of the imp z function key. But in this case, instead of imp z, we are going to make use of a function key called as filter. So a filter is a key function in this case which are going to obtain the output value to solve the difference equation. So let me write the filter key function. Filter, H is equal to filter B comma A comma, instead of capital N we have to write down the X, where X will be defined as an impulse input. So X will be defined as X is equal to X of 0, and for the step response it will be equal to 1. So X of 0 is 1, and for the remaining conditions it will taken as a zeros. So we can directly write down the impulse input as X is equal to 1 comma zeros of starting with X of 1 up to the n minus 1, it remain it as the value as zeros. So this will be the impulse input declaration. So that X value will be the impulse input. Now the remaining parameter, that is B and A, will be obtained by the difference equation. Depending upon to the difference equation, you have to fetch this data. B will be the X coefficient, A will be the Y coefficients. After obtaining this H value, we have to represent it in the two plots, that is two graph, right? So to get that, we have to make use of a key function called as a subplots, because we are going to plot for a more than one graph, right? So one plot will be the responsible for the n sequence, the impulse input, and the another plot will be the for the given n sequence, what will be the impulse response. So we have to make use of two declarations, that is we have to make use of a key function as a stem two times separately. For the first time, that will be the stem of n comma x, this is for the impulse input, and another stem we require to declare, that is stem of n comma h. Now again the question remains, what will be the n? So n value we have to declare it. The n value will be taken as n is equal to 0 is to 1 is to n minus 1. Since here we are going to plot for the two graph, so we are going to take up a single plot. In that we are going to divide it into two. So here you can see this is two rows and one column, right? So we are going to make use of the key function subplot. Subplot, totally we require the two graph. So 2 comma, the first graph here we represent it as n comma with x. So therefore that is impulse input with the given sequences n. So it represents with the first n comma, that is the first, this will be your first one column, and here totally we have two rows. So we are supposed to write it as subplot of, totally it is two graphs, comma 1, 1. So this is what the subplot 2 graphs 1 comma 1. One column, one row. Second time, one more subplot we have to declare here. That is 2 comma 1 comma 2. How? This is by considering this logic. That is, we are going to provide the second graph that will be n comma h. Right, so that will be the impulse response for the given sequence n. So first column and second row. So that graph will be fetched by using this subplot 2 comma 1 comma 2. The remaining thing, the x label, y label will remain as it is, that we need to declare it compulsory after the stem. So after this stem we have to declare it as x label, y label. Similarly here, x label, y label. And also we can include the title.